Hi guys, Di from the Messy Palette. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have got my guest design team project for tailor-made journals, and I have used the Gothic Victorian kit, and yeah, this is it. So it is a lap book. I did have some process videos, but they just went on and on and on, and yeah, I'm not a very good editor, so when I work that out I will break it down into a few different videos, but until then we'll just do the flip through. So the cover is covered in lace. It is a chipboard base. It's just a satin ribbon closure. I've used some of the journal cards and pages I've just cut up and layered on the cover. So these are some of the cut aparts with some vintage lace and some trim and tulle. This is a cameo that was in a bulk lot of cameos that I bought a long time ago. This is part of a bracelet that I took apart from the op shop. A piece of homemade tatting there, some lace, some bling. The spine has a draw pull with this piece of necklace, and that comes off when I can get a grip. So that is just, yeah, a broken necklace basically with tassels. The back is plain. The signatures I've got held in with lace because I put the eyelets in the wrong spot for the elastic and they were too short. So this side, I haven't put anything in the backs because it just got too bulky and too, yeah, chunky. There was no room left, it wouldn't close. So I've taken one page and I've printed it out 3 times, and I have layered those from the flat page to a textured and layered page. Put a key in. We've got some trim here. Over here I've used tea-dyed paper and tea-dyed digital paper as well. I've printed on the back of all the journal cards, journaling pages with a digital tea dye, and the rest of the pages are original tea dyes. So I've got a pocket here from the kit and a tag, stitching and a bit of stamping. I've left the tails. So stamping, this is this is an envelope that I collaged on, and I've sewn it into the signature. That holds a couple of journaling cards and a tag. The laces are just beautiful. I've just edged every second or so page with the lace and put some stamping on. This is a hidden paper clip, just with some of the cut aparts and some vintage lace, and I've put a tassel onto this piece of jewellery with a little safety pin, and that just holds this big journaling card. Some more stamping. I've made that, makes that a tuck spot. Put a journaling card in. Just a journaling card from the kit. I've just folded that. This is another piece of tea stained paper and just one of the pages from Lorna's kit. Put it in there. Some more beautiful embroidered lace, some stamping. This is one of the journaling cards and some of the cut aparts. I have fussy cut the hand and placed the candelabra in there, and I've added lace trim over the top of for the sleeve and added some bling there. One of the pockets from the kit. These are images from the kit tag. I have just inked around and popped them in there to stress the edges. I've made this one into a bookmark so you can mark where you're up to, and I have a tassel and a little bit of jewellery and some washi tape. More sewing, just some of the fussy cut pieces. This is the centre of that signature. Some little floral lace there. Some more stitching. This is a pocket from the kit and a postcard and just one of the images. This is one of the envelopes from the kit, and I've glued that down, and I've used one of the cut aparts as a closure. And there's just a small journaling card in there. It just slips under there. This is one of the butterflies from the kit. I have fussy cut, added glossy accents. So I've just got some cotton under there for the antennas. It's a mutant, it's got 3. Some bling, some of that paper flower trim. I've used this cut apart as a belly band and just put one of the postcards from the kit in there. I've got some sewing, some beautiful tea stained paper. I've used this one as a pocket. I've stitched on there, and I've got a tag and a journaling card from the kit in there. Beautiful kit, Lorna, beautiful kit. Some more lace and stamping. I've used this stamp all the way through on all the tea stained papers because it's very pretty. Some script stamping. This is one of my corner stamps. This is just a collage. I've used one of the hats, some vintage lace, one of the ladies, and some of the paper I've just cut apart with some washi tape and lace. Some more stamping, some more of that floral trim, tag and a journal card from the kit, corner pocket from the kit. Papers are just beautiful. I wanted to emboss all of these gold things, and I still might do that yet, but I just ran out of time, just to give it a little bit of texture. That's the other side of the envelope, and another one of the pockets and a postcard. Some more stitching and stamping. Again, this is a beautiful stamp I have. And that's it for number 1. As I said, I could not fit anything on the back pages because it just wouldn't close. So you may stick an envelope in there or something, but yeah, it's just too tight. Okay, second signature. I have fussy cut the photo and lifted it up on foam tape. Fussy cut the heart that's on the original image, and I have put glossy accents on that. One of the pockets from the kit and fussy cut, and I've just put some cheesecloth and lace under there. It's one of the postcards from the kit. I haven't embellished any of the kits, the postcards or journaling cards or tags, because it was just too tight. If I ever do another one with this kit, I'll just make a normal journal, not a or put a bigger spine on the lap book. This is one of the coin envelopes from the kit, and I've just put a little one of the photo prints out of that kit in there. These are whale tail tabs which come with the kit, which is awesome. Some more stamping, some more of that beautiful embroidered lace. Another one of the corner pockets. I've just added lace to the corner, journaling card and a tag. More sewing, more script stamp, stamping, another whale tail. Normally I would have dangles off all these whale tails, but there just isn't room. Lots of writing space for whoever gets this journal. It's still a beautiful journal, it's just not one of my usual chunky monkeys that has loads of embellishments on, but the paper itself is beautiful, doesn't need a load of embellishments. So that's why I put stitching on most of the pages, and this, of course, this beautiful lace trim. Another layered journal page. I've added some lace, printed this out twice, cut these two pieces and lifted them up on some foam tape. Some more stamping, beautiful tea dyed papers. I haven't put a lot of stuff in the second one because the first one just took up too much space. So journaling card tag, whichever, you can write on them all. So yep, nothing on these, just some stamping and a little bit of stitching. Another corner pocket, some of the cutter parts, journal card and tag. Little fussy cut rose from the kit, and that's it. That is it in all its glory. I've got metal corners on these to protect them when they're folded in. And this just ties up across here. And this clips back on here. So there you go, Victorian Gothic kit by Tailor Made Journals. I'll put the link down below. Thank you, Lorna, again for letting me play with your kits. They are beautiful. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.